da Cordoaria, tace un mate. Slices of Macau, Coloane village, Rua da Cordoaria, historical name being as a road making street. The beauty of Macau, the streets of Macau, loving the streets of Macau. Oh, so many cool street names and locations to film throughout Macau.
I'm in Coloane village. I haven't filmed this street in quite a while, I don't think. We're gonna be walking down that way. Just to give you a little context, there's a kind of infamous Fanta bottle. Used to be a lot more of those kind of references throughout. And not too long ago, I was in Green Island and I saw a Coke bottle distributing center as well. And then up here is the road we're not gonna take, but this is this leads to the beaches. That's Coloane Road. So that would go directly. I think that means like Bamboo Bay. Okay, so we're going to put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are in Coloane. Then we're going to walk down this Target Street right there, up on the map. Okay, we got another slice of Macau for you. Let's put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. Without further ado, let's just get right into it as if you're there yourself. Another slice of Macau. Oh yeah, one thing that's interesting is I don't recall this being here before, but I always film the last times that I was here, so you can actually sit in these two park benches, and that goes all the way to the ocean, all the way down that way, and we're going to check it all out. I guess we're gonna go stay this way. So yeah, if you're curious, you can always go to the last two times that I was in a particular street, because I'll always connect it at the end of the video. And I think it's been a while since I've been here, at least a few years. I've driven down it quite a bit. So, but filming, I have not. This is all new too. This is all kind of a brand new parking lot right in here. This wasn't here before. So I actually saw the sign, like how many they can accommodate, which is good, because they were kind of had parking issues before. Huh. So yeah, this is all new. Amazing. I am going to cross this crosswalk over here. We're gonna go down this way. And we'll look down this direction. So yeah, this is kind of on the edge of Coloane village. So these will go into the village. Quite sunny right there. And then down this way, we might even walk into it, but down to the left, there's actually a kind of a new area where they're doing a lot of like events. Here's the post office of Coloane right here. Flying Eagle Training Center over there. So there's Solar Target Street. The alley is kind of a popular restaurant right there. We'll just kind of come by here real quick. Okay. So you have more alleyways. So if we were to explore into those, maybe we could just quickly go around just to kind of give some context. So once you get in here, you're kind of in all these little tiny labyrinth of alleys everywhere. So as you can see, backside of a restaurant. Bird cage. Okay. Backside of the post office. The post office, I wonder if, I think I filmed in this area in quite a while. During COVID, which was about 4 or 5 years ago, I was filming pretty much everywhere. So I went in here. I remember filming these individual alleys and such like that. Yeah, and the post office has like kind of a little bit of a whole little garden area. Okay, so we are gonna come by here again, and I guess we're going to we're gonna go all the way down to the end, and I'm gonna see if we can get into this area a little bit and connect it. There's actually a lot of other stuff down in here too. I'll explain it when I can actually put the camera on its view. There's more of these little alleys as well. So this is the Largo of the same name. Largo is like a square, and then this little Camino is a interesting road that I haven't been on in a while. But there's like a bunch of these little kind of makeshift looking houses everywhere, which are really interesting. Up there in the hills are the cemeteries. That green one over there is a dog house. And this is kind of like the edge of Coloane village, that whole area. And then I'm gonna try to walk into this little urban area. I don't know how it's set up. Looks like it's currently closed. Okay, so you need to you have to have a card to get in. So this will sometimes have events, and then I guess it'll be open at those times. Anyways, that's kind of what it looks like. I'm just gonna go around the corner real quick. I should separate these two videos, but when you're here, you can actually walk in a little bit, which I think is what I'm gonna do. And I'll just kind of give you an idea of what this looks like. It's like there's even a gate. Oh, there's actually is a gate right there. So there's actually a gate that stops people. So maybe that stops for cars. Maybe if you might be able to walk through it, maybe. Probably could. But anyways, a bunch of kind of makeshift houses. Okay, on that note, we're going to, you can kind of see what some of them look like. Okay. That's our target street. And I'm just going to go a little bit further just to kind of give you some context. So there's actually kind of a back road up here as well. And this is called Republica Road. And then there's more of these all up in this area. And then we have these as well. So you can actually buy some flowers and plants right here. So I think a lot of people buy them and put them around here, so you can see lots of flowers and plants throughout the whole village actually. And this is a different little camino. And I have explored in here. I don't think I'm going to explore it today. But anyways, you can see some hiking trails way up there in the distance with a nice little shrine. On that note, we'll end the video right here. Coloane in Macau.